everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. If you're new here, please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps my channel out tremendously. Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. If you're not familiar with what I do a lot of clothing hauls, try-ons, unboxings, and the whole purpose of my channel is to share the joy of fashion with you. I will never tell you what you should not wear. I'm all about everybody trying and exposing their own style in what they love to wear. So I cannot tell you what not to wear because I keep things for 10 years because if I love it, I'm gonna wear it. Alrighty, so what do I have for you today? I only have 2 items, but I'm kind of excited about them. So I wanted to share them with you and put them away. And this will be my last video for this week that I'm making because this coming weekend, I should have my front door fashion in. Can't wait for that one too. So first things first. This came from Evereve, direct order. I received this top in one of my Trendsend boxes, loved it, but it was ridiculously expensive and it was also too tight. So I ordered it in a size up and it was on sale. Still too much money in my opinion, but I still, if I want it that bad, I will buy it. So it is this cute little Nation LTD top. I know the color isn't the greatest on me. I know it washes me out, but I don't care because I love it anyway. The color is called Frothy, and it's like almost like a beigeish pink, all right? It has the crew neckline, and it has these puff sleeves in a cotton poplin, where the rest of it is just a regular t-shirt material. So I do like this shirt and I'm very happy to get it, and I did size up, and it is made of 100% Pima cotton. I believe almost all Nation LTD tops are. So I'll try that on with the skirt that I'm wearing now because that's probably how I would style it. And maybe in the coming months I'll get a new white skirt because this one is kind of like very stretchy and tight, like a jegging style skirt, and I know that's kind of dated now, and I think I prefer a more relaxed white skirt for next season. So Evereve actually has one on rails like that. If it goes on sale again and in my size, I'll probably pick it up. The next item, there's a little backstory. Evereve sent me a tan skirt with an outfit. It was extremely tight and too small, too short as well. So tight and short, not a good look. And I have been looking at the skirt for a long time on Stitch Fix Freestyle. It's by Sanctuary. It's a tan skirt. It is a mini skirt. I don't mind wearing mini skirts as long as I guess it's a comfortable length for me, So it depends on the skirt and how long and how short it is as to whether or not it's comfortable. So I finally, when I tried on that Monroe skirt, loved the outfit, but the skirt was too small, had to send that back. I decided to bite the bullet and order the one from Stitch Fix. It was $89. Right after ordering it, I started doing some Google searching and I found the same skirt, same name brand, same everything, on sale at both Macy's and Bloomingdale's. They had my size. Now, the other sites, like Sanctuary, basically sold out. Lots of places sold out. I think Neiman Marcus or Saks or one of them had it originally. It sold out there too. But Bloomies and Macy's still had it for $33 and change. So when I got this, but it was on final sale. So when I got the Stitch Fix skirt in, tried it on, knew I liked it, that's when I ordered it from Bloomingdale's, $33 and change. And here it is. It's a little tan mini skirt. I will try it on with the outfit I intend to wear it with. So give me a minute and I'll do a quick try on for you. Okay, the first up is the Frothy top. And again, I know this isn't the best color for me, but I just love this. And I would probably wear like maybe something like a silver necklace with this to like contrast it. And I would wear it with a white denim skirt, but like I said, I'm in the market for a new one because this is like full of spandex and kind of glued to me style, which is the style a few years ago. I'm looking one for a more relaxed, like A-line fit, probably either get it on sale this year or next year. I'll get it next spring. So definitely like this top, keeping it, and I will probably style it in the coming weeks, maybe with something else and not this skirt, maybe with a pair of jeans, maybe with a jacket over it, I don't know. But yeah, I like this and I've been eyeing this a long time, and like I said, it was just ridiculously priced and out of budget when I originally got it, and I waited for it to go on sale and I got it. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the skirt for you. Okay, here I have styled the skirt. Now, as many of you might have remembered, my Trendsend video had a similar tan skirt with this top and an ivory sweater. So the ivory sweater's from Loft. The top I decided to keep from my Trendsend, and I wanted to replace the skirt because I love this overall outfit look. So skirt is by Sanctuary. Again, I got it from Bloomingdale's for $33 and change. This is the comparison to the skirt length in comparison to the one from Evereve. The one from Evereve did not make the fingertip test. You can see that this one here certainly does. For me, I know this is still mini, but I am comfortable in wearing something this particular length, even though it is short. Again, you know, I don't tell you guys what to wear. I don't expect you to tell me what to wear, but I am comfortable in this length and I'm happy with this skirt. And yeah, I'm happy with my 2 purchases. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It's free to you and it helps my channel. Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell. Take care. Till next time.